Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter 11 algebra exercise 11.5 question number 3. Pick out the solution from the values given in the bracket next to each equation and show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. Now children, here the equation is given and also some values are given in the bracket and you have to pick out the solution from the values given here in the bracket, and also we have to show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. Now let's do the A part. Now children, here the equation is 5m is equal to 60, and children, here we have to put the values of m, 10, 5, 12, 15, and out of these numbers we have to find the solution for this equation. Now let's do it children. Now first we will take m is equal to 10. Okay, now 5m is equal to 60. 5 into 10, because m value what we have taken here children, 10 is equal to 60. 50 is not equal to 60. So this is not the solution for this equation. Now taking here next. Now next children, 5m is equal to 60. Now here again 5m you have to take children here 5. Now you will see 5m is equal to 60. 5 into 5 is equal to 60. 25 is not equal to 60. So m is equal to 5 is not solution for this equation. Now children, coming to this next. Now here children, in this equation, for this equation we will take m is equal to 12. Now here m is equal to 12. If I take 5m is equal to 60, 5 into m value what we are going to take children now, 12 is equal to 60, and 60 is equal to 60. So m is equal to 12 is the solution for this equation. Again children, but they are telling you to show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. We have to take this also. 5m is equal to 60, m is equal to 15. Now here children, 5 into 15 is equal to 60, 75 is equal to 60. So that is not equal. Now children, from this we got the conclusion that the value of variable is the solution of variable is one and only one solution it has. Again I am repeating children, from this we get that the solution is only one and one for the given variable in an equation. Now children, second equation is n plus 12 is equal to 20. Here we are going to take from bracket this first number, that is n is equal to 12, we are going to put first. Now 12 plus 12 is equal to 20. 12 plus 12 is 24, that is not equal to 20. So n is equal to 12 is not the solution for this given equation. Now children, second we are going to take n is equal to 8. Next number is what? N is equal to 8. Now here see children, 8 plus 12 is equal to 20. 20 is equal to 20. So n is equal to 8 is the solution for this given equation. Now let's see about what about 20. Now here children, n plus 12 is equal to 20. N value if I take 20. 20 plus 12 is equal to 20. 32 is not equal to 20. So this is not the solution for the given equation. Now let's take this 0 children. N plus 12 is equal to 20. 0 plus 12. 12 is not equal to 20. So children, here n is equal to 8 is the solution for this given equation. Now coming to C part. Now here children, p minus 5 is equal to 5. This is the equation given and they are telling here you to take the values p of p 0, 10, 5, minus 5. So let's find the solution for this equation children. P minus 5 is equal to 5. P is equal to 0. 0 minus 5, that will give you minus 5. 5. This is not equal. Now children, here P minus 5 is equal to 5. Here we are taking the value of P is equal to 10. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. And they are equal. So this is the solution. Now children, here again. Now here P we are going to take 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 5. 0, that is they are not equal. 0 is not equal to 5. Now children, here P minus 5 is equal to 5. Now here P value I have to take minus 5. Minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to 5. Minus 10 is equal to 5. That is not, they are not equal. Okay children. Now coming to D part. Now children, in D part the equation is q by 2. Q divided by 2 is equal to 7. And here are the values of q given. You have to find the solution from these given numbers. Now here children, if I take q is equal to 7. 7 divided by 2, that is they are not equal. Now children, coming to this next number. Now they are telling us to take q is equal to 2. If 2 is divided by 2, that will get 1. 1 is not equal to 7. Now children, coming to this third number, they are telling us to take the value of q as 10. Now here 10 divided by 2, that will give me 5. That 5 is not equal to 7. Now children, here in fourth part, the fourth number is 14. If I take the value of q is equal to 14, 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Now 14, if I divide it by 2, I will get 7 is equal to 7. So q is equal to 14 is the solution for this given equation. Understood children? Each and every number from this bracket you have to take and you have to see which number is the exact solution for the given equation. Now coming to E part. Now children, E equation is r minus 4 is equal to 0 and here are some, you have to take the value of r, 4 minus 4, 8, 0 and we have to put here in r and see whether this, from among these, which is the solution for the given equation. Now see children, r minus 4 is equal to 0. We are going to take here plus this. First this number, r is equal to 4. So 4 minus 4, that will give me 0 is equal to 0. So r is equal to 4 is the solution for the given equation. Now children, even if this is satisfied, we have to try with the other numbers also. So r minus 4 is equal to 0. Now r is equal to minus 4. They are telling us to take minus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now see children, minus 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. They are not equal. So we will write minus 8 is not equal to 0, or this r is equal to minus 4 is not the solution for the given equation. Now children, here taking next number r is equal to 8, we have to take 8 minus 4 is equal to 0. 8 minus 4 is 4, that is not equal to 0. So again r is equal to 8, that is not the solution for the given equation. Now children, again we will write the equation and we will take the value of r 0. 0 minus 4. But the solution here, the Here the answer is minus 4, that is not equal to 0. So again r is equal to 0 is not the solution for the given equation. Now children, here the equation is x plus 4 is equal to 2, and here we have to take one by one value of x. Now here I have taken x is equal to minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. Now here see children, one is negative, one is positive. Subtraction we will do. 4 minus 2 will give me 2, sign of bigger number, that is positive. Now here this 2 is equal to 2, so therefore x is equal to minus 2 is the solution for the given equation. Now children, x plus 4 is equal to 2. Now here we will take x is equal to 0, the next number from the bracket. Now here children, we will shift here x is equal to 0, so 0 in place of x plus 4 is equal to 2. 4 is not equal to 2. Now children, again we will have the next number, that is x is equal to 2. Now here children, in place of x I will put 2 plus 4, that is 6 is not equal to 2. So again this is not the solution for the given equation. Now here x plus 4 is equal to 2. This is the equation. With this we are going to take value of x is equal to 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 2. 8 is not equal to 2. So children, with this we have solved question number 3 of exercise 11.5. Question number 4 we will see in the next video.